Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in this video we are going to learn about how to create auto number field type in Salesforce, and we are going to discuss this topic in both the edition in Salesforce Lightning as well as Classic. So before we will proceed to learn how to create it, we will first discuss what is auto number field type in Salesforce. Auto number field type is a field that is system generated sequence number that is used to show the format you define. After using the auto number is automatically incremented for every new record. It can be helpful when the user wants the records to enter a unique number every time a new record is created or records need to be tracked by the number. Now we will proceed further and discuss how to create auto number field type in Salesforce Lightning. This is my Lightning org and we want to create auto number in Salesforce Lightning. For this, firstly click on the gear icon. This is my gear icon, and under this gear icon there are two options present. First one is setup and the another one is service setup. Click on the setup option. After clicking on the setup option, my setup page is open, and under this setup page we can see that the two tabs are present. First one is home tab and the another one is object manager tab. Click on the object manager tab. The object manager page is open, and here we can see that the lots of objects are present and we want to select the opportunity object. So we enter the opportunity in the quick find box, and the opportunity objects comes at the top, and click on this object. The opportunity page is open, and under this page we can see that the detail related to the opportunity, and in the left side there is a detail section, and under this detail section there is a field and relationship option. Click on this option. The fields and relationship page is open, and under this page we can see that the lots of fields are already created, but we want to create the new field, so click on the new button. After clicking on the new button, the opportunity new custom field page is open. Here we can choose the field type. We can see that lots of data types are present, but we want to choose the auto number data type, so click on the auto number checkbox and click on the next button. After selecting the auto number data type, the opportunity new custom field page is open. Here we can enter the detail related to the new custom field. So firstly fill the field label, and here we are fill the field label as opportunity number. After filling the field label, we want to display the format, and we are giving the format as O hyphen curly bracket 0000 and curly bracket close, and then enter the starting number as 1, and then check the checkbox generate the auto number for existing record. And after that, fill the field name, which is automatically filled by simply clicking on the field, and then click on the next button. Here, we establish the field level security, select the profile to which we want to grant the added access to this field via field level security. The field will be hidden from all the profiles if we do not add it to the field level security. For this, we visible the checkbox, so click on the checkbox and click on the next button. Now, here we add to the page layout, so select the page layout that should include this field. The field will be added as the last field in the first two column section of this page layout, and click on the save button. Now we come back to our field and relationship page, and under this page we can see that our opportunity number with a data type auto number is created successfully. Now we move forward and learn how to create auto number field type in Salesforce Classic. For this, we firstly move to our Classic version. So click on the profile picture, and under this profile picture there is an option switch to Salesforce Classic. So click on this option. Our Salesforce Classic version is open. Here you can see that there is a username. Click on the drop down arrow of the username. The drop down list is open. So select the setup option from this drop down list. Now enter the contact in the quick find box and scroll to the bottom of the page. Under the contact object there is a fields option. Click on this option. The contact field page is open. Now scroll to the bottom of the page. Under this page we can see that the contact custom fields and relationship section is present, and under this section we can see that the loads of fields are already created, but we want to create the new field, so click on the new button. After clicking on the new button, our contact new custom field page is open. Here we can select the field type and here we want to select the auto number data type. So click on the auto number checkbox and click on the next button. The contact new custom field page is open. Now enter the detail related to the custom fields. So firstly fill the field label, and here we are filling the field label as unique ID, and then display format as UNQ underscore hyphen curly braces 000 curly braces close, and the starting number is 1. Now click on the checkbox generate auto number for existing record and enter the field name, which is automatically filled by simply clicking on the field, and then click on the next button. Now establish the field level security. Select the profile to which we want to grant the added access to this field via field level security. The field will be hidden from all the profiles if we do not add to the field level security. So we want to add all the profile to the field level security. So click on the visible checkbox and click on the next button. Now add to the page layout. So select the page layout that should include this field and click on the save button. The pop-up messages come. The generating auto number for existing record may take few times. Click on the OK button. So we come back to our contact field page. Now scroll to the bottom of the page. Under the contact custom fields and relationship section, we can see that the unique ID with the auto number data type is created successfully. So with this, we have learned how to create auto number field type in Salesforce. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.